Hi and welcome to Classic MGB and another Viewers Cars episode. For this one we're off to the United States and a town around 40 miles north of Chicago in Illinois called Waukegan to meet Sam Danenberger IV, who owns no less than 3 MGBs. So let's dive right in and find out all about them. Sam has a long history of living with MGs as his father had a wide range of British cars including a ZB Magnet, a 1939 SA Saloon and a 1954 Arnold MG. In fact, he still has his 1953 MG-TD, which he's owned since 1959. MGs certainly run in the family. Sam's first MGB is a 1966 Roadster called Beatrix that he bought from his cousin in 2022. It had been his cousin's daily driver for several years, although it had been parked in a garage since 2010. This obviously meant a certain amount of recommissioning was required, which is ongoing, although she's actually up for sale to make way for Sam's latest acquisition, which we'll come to later. If you're interested, let us know and we'll pass your details on. Sam's second MGB is an early one, a 1965 pull-handle Roadster with a 3-main bearing engine. Named Nigel, it was bought from a car shop in Chicago. Apparently it had been stored outside for several years and had been off the road for a long time before that. The car's currently undergoing a full restoration. Judging by the photos, this is long overdue. Sam's goal is to get the car ready for the 2026 show season, and judging by the latest photos, this is looking pretty likely. Prudence, or Prue for short, is Sam's latest MGB. She's a 1967 GT finished in mineral blue and was bought in January 2025 from the previous owner who'd owned the car since 1971. Sam's only the third owner, which is pretty surprising for a car that's well over 50 years old. This car probably has more history than any car we've ever seen. 4 volumes of information stored in a crate. There's even the original invoice dated October 1967 from a garage in Salt Lake City, although the car has apparently spent most of its time in California. Interesting that the radio was a $70 optional extra, and judging by this photo, it's still in place on the dashboard. The car's badged as a special, which was apparently a sales gimmick added by US dealers to help sell the GT, which was never as popular as the Roadster in the States. Extras include a wood rim steering wheel, a bullet door mirror and the special badging on each wing. Comprehensively restored between 2000 and 2001, Prue will be Sam's main driver for shows and events in 2025. And I have to say it will fit the bill really nicely with those lovely chrome wire wheels, although I'm glad I'm not cleaning them. Sam is clearly an MG fanatic, much like I am, and this is clear from this image showing his model MGB-GT and in the background a wide range of MGB related books, most of which I actually have too. That said, he has one up on me, as he was lucky enough to meet the great John Twist. Sam also has an Instagram account named Scuderia Sodada, where he posts lots of photos and other information on his cars, and it's well worth a look. Who knows, he might have bought another MGB by the time you watch this video. So there you go, a really interesting story of a dedicated MGB fan and his several cars. I guess that with 3 MGBs in the garage, Sam's only difficult decision is which one to drive. Now, if you'd like your car featured in a future Viewers Cars episode, drop us an email at hello@classicmgb.com telling us all about the car and adding a few pictures. If you've got some video, then so much the better. Finally, if you've enjoyed this video, it'd be great if you give it a like and maybe subscribe to the channel and click the bell for notifications, so you'll be the first to know when we upload more MGB content. As always, many thanks for watching and take care.